होगा सीजन 9 में रेड टैग वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री।
वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री आज होने वाली है, वो एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं।
What are you trying to make here? You're using a face mask to steam your dim sums. Tomorrow you're gonna use diapers also in the cooking. Food is a serious business. If you can't respect it, you better don't cook.
आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार और आप देख रहे हैं ओएसिस फूडशाला प्रेजेंटेड बाय फाइन। आज होगा सीजन 9 में एक ट्विस्ट। भाई हमारी एक सेमीफाइनलिस्ट नेहा तो फूडशाला की किचन में आ चुकी है, उनके साथ होगी रेड टैग वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री। आर यू रेडी फॉर द बिग सरप्राइज?
You cannot always be the most talented one in the room, but you can definitely be the most competitive one. No competition, no game. Today is the second and the last semi-final round of season 9. So let's welcome our contestant for today, Neha.
Oh my God! Semi-finale finally!
The competition today is going to be even more tougher. Why? One, because the challenge is going to be of arcade level. And number two, because there is going to be a wild card entry today.
मैं अकेले काउंटर पे थी, सो आई न्यू कि अकेले तो खाना बनाना नहीं है मुझे, क्योंकि सामने वाला काउंटर खाली था। बट देन वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री आज होने वाली है, वो एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था।
Neha,
यस शेफ।
your opponent is the one who scored the highest amongst the eliminated contestants. She is known for her culinary traits, a very, very strong contestant. And I personally was very upset when she was eliminated. Maybe it was not her day. Any guess who this wildcard entry is?
नो शेफ, रियली डिफिकल्ट टू गेस।
So let's break the silence and welcome our red tag wildcard entry all the way from Tunisia, Rehab.
ओह माय गॉड, मैंने बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि रेड टैग वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री में रिहाब आ जाएगी।
As soon as I entered on the set, Neha was really surprised. She was like, Rehab?
Rehab, welcome back.
Thank you so much, Chef.
It feels so good to see you here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Red Tag, for choosing me as a wild card entry. It's really amazing. I'm so happy to be back.
Neha,
यस शेफ।
how does it feel?
I was not expecting Rehab to come back
Why?
because she is a very strong contender and it's going to be difficult for me today.
I'm Red Tag wild card entry, so just beware of me.
Tough competition होने वाला आज।
Semi-finals. Your only chance to enter the finale.
I got the second chance and I'm going to prove myself.
ट्यूनिशियन हुआ तो क्या, मैं भी महाराष्ट्र से हूँ।
You both would be happy to know that there is no task today. We're gonna head straight to the theme. The theme today is the chef's call. You have to make 3 dishes out of the menu of my restaurant Tumtum Asia.
टेंशन मीटर तो अभी बढ़ गया है और ये खाना बनाना is gonna be the toughest challenge ever.
I'm giving you a liberty to choose your version of those dishes, but remember, the authenticity, taste, presentation, and identity of the dish must be maintained. This is going to be very challenging, trust me.
इतना चैलेंजिंग होगा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, मतलब आज तो पसीने छूट गए हमारे।
Semi-final is not going to be easy.
Chef, please get the dishes in. Let me introduce you to these 3 dishes. Dish number 1, Malaysian Kari Sayur, a spicy and fragrant vegetable curry all the way from Malaysia, known for its aromatic flavors. And it is traditionally served with this kind of a jala roti. Jala meaning mesh, roti meaning bread. Dish number 2, Ruby dim sums, a dim sum that is made with wheat and tapioca starch. It is filled with edamame, corn and asparagus, and it is served with black bean chili sauce. Dish number 3, handmade Hakka style noodles. These are noodles which are tossed with sesame oil and peppers, finished with a bit of chili oil. Sounds simple?
No, not at all.
They are not. You want to have a look at the dishes?
Yeah, please.
Come.
Replicating the same dishes as a bestseller in Tam Tam Asia wasn't an easy task.
मुझे तो लग रहा था कि अब शेफ कहेंगे कि अब तुम्हारे हवाले किचन साथी हो।
Rehab, Neha,
Yes, chef.
both of you have seen the dishes?
Yes, chef.
Neha, do you think you can copy them?
I'm confident about it. शेफ का रेस्टोरेंट रिप्रेजेंट करना इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग और वो दिया था हम जैसे होम शेफ्स के हाथ में तो और भी ज्यादा टेंशन आ रहा था।
Rehab,
Yes, chef.
what do you think? You can make them?
I'll do my best. I've never ever eaten these dishes. I've never ever tried to make these dishes.
Nothing is more important than hygiene in a kitchen. And that's why we always have these fine sterilized boxes with us. These boxes have all those items which are required for you to stay safe in my kitchens. So, let's begin today's challenge. On your mark, nice set, go! On your mark, nice set, go!
I think even 60 minutes is not enough to prepare the best seller dishes.
आपको अगर 4 घंटे दो और नूडल्स बनाने को बोलो मे बी यू कैन नेल इट बट 1 घंटे में यू हैव टू मेक सो मेनी डिशेस इट इज चैलेंजिंग एंड मे बी दैट इज व्हाई इट इज अ सेमीफाइनल।
So after seeing the dishes, at least I could have an idea about how they look, the texture, so even the smell. So it's a little bit helpful.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सेमीफाइनल में कुक करके। नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड दैट आई विल रीच ओवर हियर।
I prepared the dough for my Hakka noodles. It needs to get some rest, and then I'm going to knead it and make the noodles.
शेफ्स चैलेंज थोड़ा डर लगा सुन के बिकॉज वी आर होम शेफ्स और हम लोग एक प्रोफेशनल शेफ की डिशेस करने वाले हैं सो इट्स अ बिग थिंग एंड इफ वी आर एबल टू अचीव दिस टुडे आई विल बी द हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन एंड आई विल बी द प्राउडेस्ट पर्सन आई वुड से।
I was imagining and creating it. I've never ever created it before. I hope that my imagination is right.
आज आके when actually we started doing it तो बहुत चैलेंजिंग लगा। It was very stressful because हर एक dish had its own challenge.
Rehab,
Yes, chef.
what is this?
Yeah, sorry, chef. This is I've just done my butter, and I don't know what went wrong.
This is not jala roti, this is dough. We have a lump of air-dried dough here. Rehab, come on. Is this the way you need a dough? There's skin on the flour all the way, everywhere. The dough for Hakka noodles has to be smooth. But there are grains. See, look at these grains. This is not the dough for Hakka noodles. You need to knead it well.
Okay, chef. I was thinking, what shall I add? What shall I, how shall I rectify it to be the right dough?
So that's your dough for?
Dim sums.
Neha, this dough is sticky.
Yes, chef.
It's too... Oh, this is gum. Ah! How are you gonna make dim sums with this? Come on, Neha, come on.
सेमीफिनाले की लड़ाई बहुत टफ होने वाली है रे बाबा.
Neha is completely out of focus today. She doesn't know what she's doing. Her dough is not right. Her dim sums are gonna not be ready. I am 100% sure. At the same time, Rehab is being overconfident today. Her strong point is cooking, but that is gonna be her weakness today.
Chef told me that I need to knead it more, so I'm following his advices. It will have a nice texture so I can roll it.
He said that it is very soft and it is sticky. So no problem, I'll add little more all-purpose flour into it and I'll make it proper.
Rehab,
Yes, chef.
I told you to correct your jala roti,
Yes.
but you're not doing. Where are the noodles?
The dough is here and
They're resting in peace?
no, unfortunately I think I made a mistake.
I told you to rectify your dough. Otherwise, these noodles are gonna rest in peace. You need to bury them. 15 minutes to go. Hurry up. नेहा, तोड़ रहे हो, फोड़ रहे हो, आग लगा रहे हो, हाथ काट रहे हो. What are you up to?
इतने हाथ कांप रहे थे कि बेलन ही हाथ से फिसल गया.
ये क्या है?
Noodles dough.
Don't tell. Don't tell. ये नूडल का डो है. नेहा, इतना फ्लावर. Look at this. It is turning to be dry. And so thick. What are you trying to make here? What is this?
आई नो जब शेफ आए थे तभी तो उधर मेरी रोटी घुमाएगी और फिर सारा आटा बाहर आया था उसमें से. आई वाज ट्राइंग टू पुट मोर आटा सो दैट वो और ड्राई होके बेलूं में.
ऐसा लग रहा है नेहा used to work in a flour mill before. Neha,
Yes, chef.
what's happening?
I have put my dim sums inside for steaming. My noodles.
What? I just can't believe this. You're using a face mask to steam your dim sums.
Yes.
Come on, Neha. Come on. Come on.
It's a sterile mask. It's a
Even
clean
then,
one, and
you don't use this for steaming.
I was like, what? Face mask? Steaming? Why steaming?
मेरे दिमाग में ही नहीं आया कि मैं फाइन टिश्यूज यूज कर सकती थी मास्क की जगह.
This is the first time in my career I'm seeing this. Mask. Tomorrow you're gonna use diapers also in the cooking. Face mask for steaming dim sums.
This is so embarrassing.
I know there is pandemic, Neha, but dim sums don't suffer from corona.
I apologize to him कि गलती हो गई. जब मैंने मोमोज निकाले थे मेरे स्टीमर से तो दे वर वेरी मॉइस्ट. तो फिर मैंने फाइन टिश्यूज लेके उसका जो मॉइस्चर और वाटर कंटेंट था वो निकाला तो दे आर वेरी एब्जॉर्बेंट. तो उससे मेरे मोमोज गलने से बच गए.
Neha, Rehab, 3 minutes to go. I think I'm gonna taste empty plates today.
Time was running out. I was rushing with my dishes, and trust me, semi-final is not easy at all.
You both should be starting plating by now. Come on! Come on, Neha, chase it! Come on! I need to see that speed. Come on, guys, hurry up, hurry up! Three, 2, 1, stop! Stop. That's it. Welcome back to Oasis Food Shala, presented by Fine. Reha, Neha,
Yes,
Yes,
chef.
chef.
tiring day.
Very.
Reha, we'll start with you first.
Okay, chef.
Bring your dishes to me. Reha,
Yes, chef.
tell me about your dishes.
I made Malaysian chicken curry and the jala roti, crystal dim sums, the Hakka noodles, and a milkshake which is made with pistachio, rose water, and chemia.
Good. Let's taste it. This looks like an insect.
जब भी शेफ ने वो उठाए नूडल्स तो वो एक्चुअली ऐसे अर्थवर्म्स की तरह लग रहा.
I was really disappointed, and it was heartbreaking.
How should I eat this? Maybe like this?
मैंने जब उसके नूडल्स देखे they were this thick. मतलब उससे आप फांसी भी लगा सकते थे अपने आप को.
Reha, this dish has all the doshas that I know of. I need a lot of motivation to comment on this.
It was a really funny comment that chef gave कि उनको भी मोटिवेशन की जरूरत है.
I guess I must take classes to learn how to make Hakka noodles.
You made curry ayam. Curry ayam. Ayam means chicken.
Yes, exactly.
Let's see. Reha, you're making this for the first time.
Yes, chef.
I never expected that they will be so delicious.
Thank you so much, chef.
Beef is nice, juicy, tender. The skin outside is a problem. It's too dry. The top of the dim sum is not folded properly. Look at the skin.
मेरी तो बल्ले बल्ले होगी.
I need to practice more to make it right.
This is not jala roti. These are like crepes. They're soggy. They're not cooked properly. Look at them. Smoothie, you gave a Tunisian twist to this. Very delicious.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I created my own smoothie with my Tunisian touch, and I'm so happy that chef loved it.
Curry ayam. Very tasty.
Thank you.
The chicken is falling off the bone. Perfectly cooked, tender. This is what you're known for. And I'm proud of this.
Thank you so much, chef. Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you. Wow. So excited. I can't even express my feelings. That's why I was crying. It was happy tears.
Yeah, overall, few things are amazing, while few things are completely blunders. This is your second biggest strength, that you feel pain because you made some mistakes here. And I have a very popular saying, food is a moment of emotion curated by an artist called chef. If you don't have emotions, you don't deserve to be a chef, because food is cooked from here. You bring tears to my eyes.
Oh no, chef.
Come on, you don't have to cry like this.
He is a chef, but the emotion of cooking made him cry, and the same happened to me. So this is passion.
Okay, let's bring back our smiles. Neha, she just surprised me with the flavors. Few things were here and there. Let's see whether you can make it or not. Present your dishes to me.
Sure, chef.
Neha, today you are not just an ordinary home cook. Today, you are just like a restaurateur. And even more, you're representing my restaurant, Tum Tum Asia. I hope these dishes taste amazing. I would rather say it amazing. Chicken dim sums with saffron sauce.
Yes, and I've put little bit of saffron inside it as well. That's a grilled kingfish, tandoori style, and I have put it in Malaysian curry. That's a jala roti made with a little bit of turmeric and coconut milk. And the other one is handmade basil noodles, Hakka noodles.
Okay, let's start. Dim sums. First time I'm tasting them like with the saffron sauce and of course saffron on top. And it is also the first time I saw dim sum being cooked on face mask. Such blunders are not tolerated in my kitchens. Food is a serious business. If you can't respect it, you better don't cook. Dim sums tastes amazing. They can actually go into a menu.
वो डिमसम्स के ऊपर ही मैंने इतना सुना because of face mask and everything, but then eventually he liked it, तो I became emotional. मुझे फिर रोना आ गया उसके ऊपर.
Moving on to the next one, the kingfish with so-called curry, the Malaysian curry. This rather tastes like a chettinad curry to me. Probably a Goan fish curry. But the good part is that the kingfish is cooked through. Very nicely cooked. Moving on to next. This one is like a besan ka chilla.
जाला रोटी बनाने में मेरे ही जाले निकल गए.
These handmade noodles with a flavor of basil deserves 100 marks.
Thank you.
I was shocked when you were making them, but now I'm surprised to taste them. Bravo!
Thank you so much. I'm surprised myself actually. I've never made handmade noodles ever
Thank you.
in my life.
So I was really emotional. काफी मेहनत की उसके पीछे मैंने नूडल्स बनाते. मेरा बेलन गिर गया था, मेरा क्या क्या गिर गया था. So I was very happy. The end product was good.
Neha, some blunders, but some wonders. Yeah, some amazing dishes, but some disasters. So, one of you is gonna go happy, but the other one would probably think that what mistakes I made.
Right now I'm actually very confused क्योंकि काफी mixed comments आए दोनों को, रिहाब और मुझे.
For me, to be honest, the result is not the most important thing.
ये point पे तो I think मुझे दिमाग लगाना भी नहीं है.
Being in the show is the most important thing. Like, it's an amazing experience, and I will never ever forget it.
And the contestant who's going to the grand finale of Foodchala Season 9 is... Neha!
Thank you. I was not expecting this.
Yep.
Yes, chef.
Your mistakes gave her a chance to win. Otherwise, you were a clear-cut winner.
It was amazing.
Winning or losing is a part of the game. While runners-up live in the past, winners learn from the past. I'm gonna see you next week in the ultimate level of the challenge, which is our grand finale. Till then, hold your breath and stay safe.
It's a K Company production.